Here I have Doogee S98, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, of course. Then you will have to record some video in slow-mo. So if you don't know how you can record slow motion videos, you can find this tutorial on our channel. Go check it out, record slow motion video, and now I'm going to show you how you can change its speed. So firstly you have to find this video here in this picture section, and here you have these sliders. So where you have dots on this big distance between them, this slow-mo will be extremely slow, but where you have them close to each other, it will be faster. So let me show you. Let's take it very slow from here. So as you can see, I roll it and then it becomes extremely slow. But after it reaches this second slider, video slightly speeds up, but it's still in slower motion as usual, I guess. So yeah, and you can change these intervals. You can make the whole video super slow motion, super slow, or you can just make it whole at normal speed or something like that. And that's it.